Nyangkut mulu sih.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rifki Satria. I'm from Master of Management A 2023. Today, I would like to tell you about the content of my thesis proposal with the title "Use of Artificial Intelligence in Business Processing by Key Opinion Leader Marketing Agencies." In this proposal, I will like to tell you about it in three parts. The first part is introduction, and the second part is literature review, and in the third part, I want to describe about my research methods. In introduction part, I want to describe about the background of the research, problem formulation, research objective, and the benefits of research. In the second part, in the literature review, uh, I would like to tell about a theoretical review and the research methods, there's are plus and time of research, informants, and in third type of research, data collection techniques, and data triangulation, and the final part is data reliability validity. Introduction. Uh, we, we also present a thick description of the content of the care market agencies, including the organization structure. Sorry. Sorry. Social media is closely related to human life today. Initially, were only used a medium of communication between individuals and group. Social media has now also become a potential in the creation of new professions such as influencer, live streaming hosts, social media specialists, content creators, and many more. Social media has also turned into a place to promote products and for many brands. Indonesia is one of the potential countries for marketing through social media influencer because the number of social media users reached 191 million people based on data from January 2022. Then the average duration of device usage in Indonesia in 2023 is 3 hours 25 and 25 minutes per day. With such a long duration, Indonesia is one of the countries with the most addicted population to device in the world because the average duration of social media use of people around the world is only 2 hours and 24 minutes. With the huge internet users in Indonesia also have impact in increase of the number of girls in Indonesia. Based on 2023, the number of KOLs in Indonesia is 1.1 million people. One of the care agencies that runs business processing using artificial intelligence is Orbit Digital Agency. The company uses LARC to facilitate communication between the teams and organize everything related to the execution of QR product campaigns, such as a campaign budget data, a content draft, payment invoice, briefs, and project tracking. Researchers are interested in taking LARC as the object of research because the tools are still not as popular as Google Workspace, but the features offered are also quite complete and integrated so as to facilitate business processing in KOL marketing. Problem formulation and research objective. In this research, I have a seven problem formulation. And the first, how is LARC AI implemented in business processing at KOL marketing agency? And second, what are the benefits gained by KOL marketing agency from using AI in its business operation? Third, how effective is AI in improving work efficiency and productivity of KOL marketing agency? Fourth, what are the challenges faced by KOL marketing agencies in adopting AI in business processing? Fifth, how does AI affect marketing strategies and KOL management within marketing agencies? Six, to what extent does the use of AI contribute to business decision making in KOL marketing agencies? And seven, what are the best recommendations to optimize the use of AI in the business processing of KOL marketing agencies? And the research objective are first analyze the application of AI like in business processing at KRA marketing agency. Second, identify the benefits of using AI like for KRA marketing agencies in their business operation. Third, describe the analysis of AI like effectiveness in improving work efficiency and productivity of KRA marketing agency. Fourth, identify the challenge faced by KRA marketing agencies in adopting AI like in business processing. Fifth, analyze the effect of using AI like on marketing strategies and KRA management in marketing agencies. Six, analyze the contribution of AI like in business decision making in KRA marketing agency. And seven, provide recommendation for optimizing the use of AI like in the business processing of KRA marketing agencies. And the such benefit and there is two kind of research benefits. First, practical and theoretical. The research benefit, the practical benefits in this thesis have 2 points. First, inform the practice of using AI called like as a medium that is always used by a bit agency employees to communicate between employees, input campaign data, and as a company data storage. Second, inform the result of the analysis of the impact of using like on the business process that take place at the influencer marketing agency. The theoretical benefit are providing scientific contribution to the study of management science more precisely for the field of marketing. And second, evidence of the application of marketing management knowledge learned during college. And I have a four theoretical review. First, social media, and then I'm take artificial intelligence. Third, influencer marketing, and the last is business processing. Social media, Abdul Rasonia said, social media is defined as an online platform that allows users to engage with each other and utilize content created by different users. AI, according to Alexander Simon in July 2021, AI is an area of research, application, and instruction related to computer programming in carrying out everything that in the human view is classified as intelligent. And Gu, Leong, and Parmatier in 2022 said influencer marketing is a marketing strategy in which influencers are tasked by brand to promote a product or service to their followers. And business processing, uh, Variety in 2022 say business processing are a series of activities carried out by companies or organizations systematically to increase the value of quality by processing inputs and outputs into outputs and evolving between existing aspects so as to meet customer expectation. Okay, those methods in the location, the I'm doing research at Orbit office located at Jalan Dharma Wangsa 8, number 38, Pulau Village, Kebayoran Baru, Subdistrict, South Jakarta for 3 months, starting on February 10, 2025 and ending on May 9, 2025. And the research type, this research is using qualitative method. This research is descriptive in nature and was chosen because it is best suited to explore social phenomena that are complex, contextual, and have not been theoretically explained through statistical figures. And for the informant, I'm using 15 peoples. First, 3 people from care specialist manager, five from care specialist staff, 5 people from care planner, and 2 people from account executive. For the data collection, I'm using observation, semi-structured interviews, and documentation. For data triangulation, we use a 3 step. First, data reduction, data elaboration, and the drawing conclusion. In data reduction, the raw data was selected and summarized according to the focus of the research, such as taking the main point in the interview results and taking documentation related to the research to be present. This data reduction aims to make research more focused, drawing conclusion become easier, and making data ready for the further analysis. This research took data in the form of observation and interviews during the research internship at Orbit Digital Agency. That in the data explanation, the researcher then describes the existing data in the form of narrative, picture, and tables. Explanation of this data important so that the delivery of information is more communicative. Second, it supports analysis and it illustrates the pattern of relationship for the credibility of the research increase and last, readers can understand the result of our research easily. And in the last conclusion document and data checking, researchers are looking for conclusion from data processing. Then the data that has been processed is and conclude which can support the formulation of the problem or research objective. Data checking is done by the triangulation process. For the data validity and reliability. Data validity in qualitative research plays an important role in ensuring the quality and accountability of the findings. Given the natural and contextual nature of the qualitative approach, validity is not measured with the statistical instrument as in quantitative research, but with systematic strategies designed to increase trust in the data. The study adopted the trustworthiness approach as developed by Lincoln and Guba, which includes four main criteria. First, credibility, that is credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability. To strengthen credibility, the researcher used triangulation of methods and search. Information was collected from multiple search like agency manager and care staff and any people in agency, and took a combination of in-depth interview, internal documentation, and observation of the agency work process in using AI technology. We also present a thick description of the context of the QM marketing agency, including the organization structure, business model, and dynamic of intervention with artificial intelligence technology to ensure transferability. Throughout the research process, the researcher critically notes subjective position, personal values, and potential bias that may influence the analysis. This step aims to ensure that the findings come from the data, not from the research assumption. By applying these strategies, this research is expected to produce findings that are credible, transferable, reliable, and free from the researcher subjective bias. Okay, that's the the last part of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.